We all know that a large object, like the Earth, attracts everything towards itself. This attractive force is called the force of gravitation. Two bodies of masses, m1 and m2, are separated by a distance, d. According to the law of gravitation, a force of attraction exists between them, pulling both bodies towards each other. The force of attraction is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. As we can see here, as the distance increases, the force reduces. You can see how two objects attract each other in free space. When one of the bodies is larger than the other, it has a higher force of attraction on the smaller one. The smaller body gets pulled towards the larger body. Suppose we keep the smaller body fixed in space. We see that the bigger body is pulled by the smaller object. Here, we see the revolution of a smaller object around a bigger, heavier object in space. The path the body takes is elliptical in shape. This is the model of the Sun with the planet revolving around it. Notice how the planet comes close and goes further away, keeping an elliptical orbit. When the objects fall towards the Earth, as the height reduces, the speed increases. The rate of increase of speed is constant. This is called acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is independent of the mass of the falling object. So objects falling from the same height reach the ground at the same time. Escape velocity is the velocity required by an object to escape out of the Earth's gravity. The gravity of the Earth pulls all things towards its center and does not allow them to move away from it. When the velocity of an object increases beyond a certain limit, it can escape from the Earth's pulling force. This limit is the escape velocity. To get away from the Earth's gravity, an object needs to have a minimum velocity of 11.205 kilometers per second. Acceleration due to gravity on Earth is 9.81 meters per square second. Due to its low mass, value of g of the Moon is 1/6 that of the Earth. So objects fall at a slower rate. An object on the Moon weighs 1/6 of that on the Earth.